Hey, what's up, you guys? As you can probably tell, I am at Universal Studios Hollywood after hours. There is nobody here. It's a little spooky, but I'm here for a Jurassic World event called Generation Jurassic, where we're gonna check out all the new toys for the new Jurassic World movie, check out some dinos, maybe ride Jurassic World the ride, maybe steal a Jurassic Jeep. Honestly, if I can go home with that, that'd be great. I have to show off my fit though, because I got the Jurassic World fit going on. This is from Cakeworthy. There's also a back. This is Jurassic. I can't. This is what I can do with one hand. But like I said, I don't know what's going on. There's free food, so I'm gonna hop on that first. Like I said, you guys are just rolling along with me. There wasn't a lot of information about this event other than we're gonna see toys from the new movie. But thankfully I didn't eat because all the food is free. So I just picked up a island chicken sandwich, which I haven't had before, so we're gonna try this together. This chicken does look bomb though, I'm not gonna lie. I do love a good chicken sandwich with seasoned fries. Delicious. I had to walk down by Transformers because it's kind of loud. They got a DJ playing over there, but that chicken sandwich was bomb. Now we're gonna go check out some of the toys they have for apparently this new movie and just like Jurassic Park in general. They have a couple models of some of the toys. This one is definitely from the newest one with Claire in the water. Then we have Jurassic World Legacy. This is Dr. Sarah Harding in the Stegosaurus pack. Then we have the new Jurassic World. This is Owen escaping on a motorcycle. Cool, cool, cool. This is Jurassic World Released and Rampage. I think this is from the new movie as well. This one is a Jurassic World Legacy collection from Isla Nublar. I like the InGen car back there, but this one is my favorite. This one's Legacy collection from Jurassic Park. The most iconic scene in the kitchen with the raptor. They actually have the pan too. I love this.
It's almost like she's finding the beat.
Look at her dancing.
She's such a sweetheart. Oh, good girl, Juliet. Now, if you saw her walk out here, you could see that speed is not her strong suit. That's not what these dinosaurs are known for. However, her curiosity levels have really impressed us. If anyone had the opportunity to meet Blue earlier, a Velociraptor, her curiosity is off the charts, and it's awesome to be able to study. We're noticing this too with Juliet. You see this?
She likes to dance.
She's got these rhythmic movements happening, which not only means that she hears the music, but she's responding to that environment. She has a desire to be a part of anything that she sees going on around her. So apparently now there is going to be a panel with some surprises. I'm gonna assume a cast member. We shall see.
Hi everybody. So I'll say right off the bat, this cracks me up because this is a fan event and you haven't seen the movie yet. So
Kayla Watts!
Here I am. I play Kayla Watts. So excited to meet all of you.
It's great. They already know the name of your character, so can you tell us a little bit about your character?
I can. Kayla Watts is former Air Force, so she has a lot in common with Owen. And when you meet her, essentially, you know, she's kind of in this underground dinosaur lair, and I won't spoil anything else. I mean, we know she's a pilot. She flies some stuff. She saves some people. It's gonna be great.
Isla Nublar is open. I'm gonna put a drink in this hand. I did it. I got the painkiller. All the drinks from Isla Nublar are great, but I gotta dull my dinosaur pains. I chugged that drink way too fast, but I haven't gone on a night ride of Jurassic World the ride. I don't think since it's open, so we gotta do that. And yes, Jurassic World is open, and it is only at a 5-minute wait. And there is nobody in line. Will we get a whole boat to ourselves? We shall see.
A vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
entering Dougall Valley, where plant-eating dinosaurs roam freely. Keep an eye out for the Parasaurolophus, who likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. To some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
We have a containment alert. We show multiple containment failures. Repeat, multiple systems failure.
Safe zone. Sir, we have one boat in the cove. Path to return point. There are out of containment. Active containment units to Predator Cove. Repeat, AC units to Predator Cove. Code red. Iron systems going down the front.
Catch me in and kill those alarms.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claire here. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please.
Security unit deployed. They will get you safe.
Owen Brady, the Indominus Rex. Please remain calm and stay calm. Assist control units are on their way. If you can see me, I need you to keep your hands inside the boat. The slightest movement will set these animals off.
Came back behind Jurassic World to ride for much bigger toys and props. Why do I really want this? I wish it was in the color scheme of like my shoe van, but like I wanna ride this. They also have a couple props and costumes from the original. Would I rock an Ellie Sattler look? Probably. We have some Barbasol cans with Dino DNA, Mr. Hammond's cane, some Jurassic Park eggs, Dr. Grant's fedora. These are fun. Now I have a helping hand. Here's the fit in light. We have the iconic yellow jacket, patch, backside, and then also the Reeboks with the little pump that's in the style of the band. Well, that is it from our night here at Universal Studios Hollywood. As you can tell, it's a little empty, and I love walking through an empty theme park. But thank you guys for watching. We had a blast. Again, I didn't know what to expect. I had a lot of fun. I saw some dinosaurs. It was great. I can't wait for the Jurassic World movie. That is June 10th. So get excited for that. Until then, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys real soon.